Hi, Jeff Ritter again with another idea for using Chat GPT for students. Again, as I've mainly tried to emphasize, is uh, teach students to use it as a tool. Don't be afraid of it. Don't worry about them using it for plagiarism, all those things that are out there. But you teach them how to use it as a tool. One of the great things I've found in ChatGPT is it can create a plan for almost anything. So if you want to plan for fitness, for health, for nutrition, it'll put out a step-by-step plan for you. But I think the most useful thing for students would be for planning a research project, planning an experiment, planning a course of action to learn something specific. So if you know how to do that, it's a very useful thing to have. And then the students can use that plan and modify it. They can show how they progressed in that plan. They can put it on a calendar. Uh, they can even make it a multi-year plan for how to prepare for a certain career. Give the students all those options and ask them to ask ChatGPT to create a variety of plans for themselves to use to accomplish goals, to set some long-term goals, or to learn something specific, or to steps that they would need to do a research paper. And each one of those plans that ChatGPT creates, ask them to print it out or to put it into a document and to modify it themselves, to add something to it themselves, or take out something that they don't think should be there, whatever. Anything that they do using that starting point is great, because one of the biggest problems students has, as most teachers know, is getting started. Uh, First sentence from a paper, uh, first step in a research project, first, anything is almost a problem for students because they're afraid. They're afraid of what to do with writing. It's not that they don't want to write; they're afraid it's gonna look bad, so they just don't want to do it. So, uh, even steps for writing a creative project. ChatGPT will put out something pretty good and ask them to look at it, modify it, and then hand it in, give it to you for some feedback, and then do it, right? I mean, that's the hard part, is doing it. But ChatGPT will get the other hard part done, which is the planning, very quickly and very easily. So that's my next uh, tip for using ChatGPT for teachers. Uh, Letting students know something they can do. Very useful, very helpful, and we'll keep going. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.